Our question today is brought to you by Bull Realty and bullrealty.com, Asset and Occupancy Solutions. Our question is, Michael, what do you expect for commercial mortgage interest rates over the next 2 years? Well, I expect interest rates to rise. I guess everyone does, right? The question is, how much? I think when you listen to the economists, listen to the analysts, and fortunately I get to talk to a lot of them in my job at Bull Realty and also as host of the Commercial Real Estate Show and as a trainer. And when I look at the collective thoughts there, I would suggest that 1 year from today, we're in the latter part of the first quarter of 2018, that if I had to guess, and it's a guess, mortgage interest rates might be a full 100 basis points higher in a year. So if you're paying 4.5% for a loan on a certain property type right now, it might be 5.5% in a year. If things keep going the way they're going, then it could be 200 basis points in 2 years, so it could be 2 points higher. Now, that might seem high. I've seen some economists tell me that is definitely going to happen, and I've seen people tell me that they think it's going to be about half that. So I would probably give it a range that you'd be paying 1 to 2% higher in 2 years, between now and the next 2 years. But anything can happen, and the expectations are that interest rates will rise. So when you're doing planning, I try to look at long-term interest rates right now on properties that you're buying, that you're holding, and try to get as long-term financing as you can. I've seen some lenders that we work with are doing 15-year, completely amortizing loans with no balloon. And I tell you, if you do hit a down cycle, and we've seen them over the years, where it's hard to get financing or values drop, and you're a long-term hold person, you don't want to be at the bottom of the market when you have a balloon on your property, if you can help it. So if you can get long-term financing. Now, if you're asking about interest rates because you're trying to time the market to sell, you can want to look at the other aspects of buying, selling, or holding that property, like your financing. When does it balloon? The leases, the major leases will only lease, when does it expire? What's the market like? But if you're simply trying to time the cycle in interest rates, 2018 may be the best time to sell a property that you're going to see in a long time. If we might be of service, you're invited to reach out to us.